Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to generate strong passwords in Proton Pass in 2026. If you want to create secure, hard-to-guess passwords for your accounts, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Proton Pass on your browser, desktop app, or mobile app and log into your account. Next, go to the main dashboard where you manage your saved logins and vault items. Now click on the Add New Login option or open an existing entry where you want to create a password. Next, look for the Password Generator option inside the password field. Now click on Generate Password, and Proton Pass will automatically create a strong and secure password for you. Next, review the generated password and make sure it includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Now adjust the password settings if available, such as length or complexity, to make it stronger. Next, apply the generated password to your account and save the entry in your vault. Now use autofill to test the password on the website or app login page. Next, make sure syncing is enabled so your password is available across all your devices. Finally, always use unique passwords for each account to maximize your security, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate strong passwords in Proton Pass. Your accounts are now better protected with strong and secure credentials. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone!